to Basant Play School, Kusum, Bihar. So today will be the third session of small alphabets learning and writing. And in this session, we are going to learn how can we write I, J, K and L. So in our previous sessions, first and second, we have learned 8 letters till now. So in this session, we will also learn next 4 letters. So now let's see how can we write I. So first of all, we need to know the pattern of I. So it is very much easy. As you can see, I will give just one example. Like first of all, you need to make one standing line. Okay. After that, you have to give one dot above this standing line. Okay. So to making I, we need only one standing line like that, and we'll make one dot above from this standing line. Okay. From downside, you have to move it little bit. Again, you see standing line and then dot. It is very easy to make I because you already know that how to make standing line. Okay, so now it's time to write I between these 3 lines. Let's see how can we write I in between 3 lines. So first of all, I will give some dots, then you will be able to know that how can you write I between 3 lines. So you always have to follow 2 lines while you are writing I. Okay, that's why I am giving some dots here. Then you will be get to know how can you write I. Okay, so first of all, we'll join these both dots with one standing line, and after that we'll give one dot. Again, standing line, dot, standing line, dot, standing line, dot. Okay, like that we'll make all the I's standing line and dot. So after I, next letter comes, that's name is J. Let's see how can we write small j. So for making small j, you need to make first one standing line, and then from down section of this standing line, you need to make one curve. Okay, and after making this curve, you have to give one dot. Okay, what is this? This is small j. Again, you see, first you need to make one standing line, then curve, and then dot. Okay, we'll see one more time. Standing line, curve, and then dot. So after knowing the pattern of J, now it's time to know how to make J between these lines. So after knowing the pattern of small j, now it's time to learn how to make small j between these 2 lines. Oh, sorry, 3 lines. So for making j, we need to follow always second, third and fourth line. Yani ki we'll start from second line. Okay, always. That's why I'm giving dots. Okay. So first of all, we'll join these 2 dots by one standing line, and from down section of this standing line, we'll make one curve and then dot. Again, see. We'll see again. By this kind, we'll make small j. Okay. One more time we will see how can we write J without dot. So you have to start always from second line, and we'll go through the fourth line, and we'll make one curve. After that we'll give one dot. Okay, sorry, I think it is not showing to you. Okay, now I'm showing. Okay, so what I'm making small j. Okay, first you have to make one standing line, then from down section you have to make one curve, and then from upper part you have to give one dot. Okay, so next letter come, that's name is K. So first of all, we know the pattern of K. First you have to make one standing line, and then from the middle section of this standing line you have to make one vertical line, and then from this side it will be little bit bigger. Okay, so you have to make 2 vertical lines from the middle section. One will be smaller and another will be little bit bigger. Standing line, vertical line, one more vertical line. Okay, after knowing the pattern of small k, now it's time to learn how to write small k between first to third line. Okay, so that's why I am giving dots from first to third line like that. First of all, we'll join these two dots with one standing line. Then from a lower section of this standing line, we'll make small vertical line. After that, we'll make one more vertical line. Again, you see standing line, vertical line, one more vertical line. Standing line, vertical line, one more vertical line. Okay, like that, we'll make one more standing line, vertical line, and one more vertical line. Let's see one more line again, then you will be clear. Then how can you write small k? So first of all, you need to make one standing line. After that, you need to make one vertical line. Then will be one more vertical line. Okay, standing line, vertical line, again vertical line. Standing line, vertical line, one more vertical line. Okay, standing line, vertical line, and one more vertical line. Next letter comes, that name is L. You already know. So let's see how can we write L. So L is a only standing line. Okay, small l we write like that. We have to make only standing line. Okay, so you already know that how to make a standing line, that it is very much easy for you. It is a single standing line. Okay, so now let's see how can you make this L between these lines. Because in small alphabets we become confused sometime, then we have to write first third lines or second third lines. Okay, so that's why I'm clearing your confusion here. So first of all, you have to join this two dots and I will make one L. Very simple. Okay, let's see. What is this? This is small l. Okay, it is most easiest letter of the alphabets, small writing. So this was all about third session. In this session we learned I, J, K and L. So hoping you have done practice very well of all these 4 letters. So see you in next session with next 4 letters. Till then, bye all of you. Take care.